In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the thickness of a shape outline in PowerPoint. This is a simple yet effective technique to give your presentations a polished look and help important elements stand out. Whether you're highlighting a key point, defining boundaries between different sections, or simply aiming for a refined aesthetic, altering the outline's thickness is an easy way to add emphasis. Let's start by selecting the shape you want to enhance. Click directly on the shape within your slide. Once your shape is selected, you'll notice that a new tab appears in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is the Shape Format tab. Now, go ahead and click on this tab. This action opens up a variety of options specifically tailored to formatting shapes. Next, we want to look within the Shape Styles group. Here you'll notice a drop-down labeled Shape Outline. Click on this and a menu appears offering options that pertain to the outline of your chosen shape. Now hover over the option labeled Weight. This is the setting that controls the thickness of your shape's outline. You'll be presented with several preset thickness options. These are labeled with point values such as 1 pt, 2 1/4 pt, 4 1/2 pt, and so forth. Simply clicking on one of these presets will adjust your shape's outline to that thickness. This is great if you're in a rush or simply content with predefined settings. If, however, you crave more customization, look towards the bottom of this menu and select More Lines. Clicking this will open up the Format Shape pane on the right side of your screen. This pane is your control center for detailed customization. As you explore the pane, focus on the Line or Line Style section. In this section, look for the width setting. This feature allows you to fine-tune the thickness of your shape's outline by using the arrows next to the point value or by typing in a specific number. You can choose any value from as little as 0.5 pt to as much as 10 pt, or even more if that's what you need. Experiment with different point values to meet your specific design requirements. By adjusting the thickness, you can transform a simple shape into an eye-catching element that enhances your entire presentation. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you're fully equipped to alter the outline thickness of shapes in PowerPoint, tailoring each one to perfectly complement your slides. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing how you use this technique to enhance your presentations.